The day begins with sunrise peeking through the cabin window. No alarms, just the birds. Coffee brews on the rocket stove, fueled by sticks gathered from yesterday's hike. Rainwater fills the kettle. Breakfast is simple. Eggs from the coop, veggies from the garden. No words are spoken, but everything flows. Tools creak as repairs begin. A loose hinge here, a new shelf there. Solar panels hum quietly, charging the battery bank. A quiet afternoon means tending to the compost, checking on the beehives, and chopping firewood. Everything has its rhythm. Evening comes with golden light filtering through trees, casting long shadows. Dinner simmers slowly, and as night falls, the lantern is lit. With no screens or noise, time feels slower, fuller. A journal gets a few lines by candlelight. Then to bed. Silence isn't lonely here, it's peaceful. Life off-grid doesn't need words to feel whole. It speaks in stillness, effort, and nature's whispers.